Targeted and personalized email campaigns can convert more than you know. And MailMint lets you do that with its feature dynamic segmentation by accurately and easily segmenting targeted leads. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a segmentation feature with single or multiple fields in MailMint. So let's get started. To create a segment, you need to go to MailMint and click on the contacts module. So once you're there, you can see that I have 33 contacts in my list, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and click on segments. And then I'm going to click on a new segment. Now I have to give a segment name, right? So let's say my name of this segment is, and I can also give a description. Let's say I am running this campaign only for the people who are named John. Now I have to select a condition, right? So the first condition I'm going to select is my first name will contain the value which is John, which means only the people named John will be listed in this segment. Now if I save it and if I preview the segment, you'll see that 3 people are in my contact list who are named John has been listed here. Now if you want to add some other conditions while creating this segment, then you can go ahead and click here. So once you click there, you see 2 options, right? The first one is and, the other one is or. If you select and, this will mean both of these conditions need to be true in order to be listed in the segment. And if I delete it and add or, this will mean any of these conditions can be true and the contacts will be listed in the segment. Now I will add an and condition. So if I click on and, so for this condition, I will make sure that only the Johns who are on my WooCommerce list will be listed in this segment. So I'm going to select the list field and then I'm going to set the condition as WooCommerce. So if I go ahead and update the segment, you'll see that only the Johns who are on my WooCommerce list has been updated in this segment. So this is it, guys. This is how you can create dynamic segmentation easily and right from the contacts module in MailMint. I'll see you in my next video.